Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram effects on TikTok. Instagram has a lot of various effects that you can apply while creating TikTok videos. Follow these tips and you will find out how you can use them. Firstly, go to the Instagram Home tab. Swipe right or click on your story in the top left corner of the screen. Once the camera window opens, go right on the circular menu bar until you find the Browse Effects option. Press on it in order to open the effect gallery. Find an effect that you would like to use in your video and tap to open it. Hit the Try It button and record a video. Keep in mind that you can edit your video if you want. After that, click on the download icon at the top of the screen in order to save it into your camera roll. Now go back to TikTok. Upload your video as you would normally do. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram effects on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.